This week at Challenge Night, we ran back one of my new favorite tracks, which is the Super Speedway layout with the figure 8 in it. If you're unfamiliar with what figure 8 means, it means at one point on the track, we will crisscross traffic. So we're going to have people entering and exiting in the exact same spot on the track. It is wild. Now, I may call it a few different things during this race. I feel like I have a million terms that I call it. But if you hear me say something like traffic circle, roundabout, roulette wheel, any kind of round-shaped object, just know that I'm referring to the figure 8 section. Unfortunately, even though I love this track layout hates me this night. I'm usually pretty good at predicting where people are going to be and navigating what I'm supposed to do, but this week I was just not having it. I lost a lot of time, a lot of positions, dealing with the situations that occurred. Speaking of taking a beating, race 2 had a lot of carnage. Early on in the race, someone had a pretty good hit into the wall. They ended up bowing out of it. Hopefully they're all good. Then at the very end of the race, just an insane situation happened. Someone turned someone, and I was right there behind them, and I got into a head-on collision with them, which is crazy. Crazy timing. I just couldn't do anything about it. I apologized afterwards for what it's worth, but he was rightfully unhappy with the situation that occurred. I don't blame him. But anyways, it's a wild time. Certainly worth your time to watch all of the ridiculousness that occurs in these races. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Greatly appreciate it. If you are not currently a subscriber and you don't click the subscribe button, unfortunately, I will be forced to cast a spell that will make your energy drinks give you 25% less energy. So you're still going to get 75% of the energy, but they're not going to be as potent as before. I don't want to be the bad guy here, but I got to do what I got to do. All right. Anyways, do whatever you want. Have a good one.
All right, we're back for Challenge Night. We're doing the figure 8 oval. Really excited about that. Try to give him some space there. Okay. All right, we have succeeded, sort of. So we have a figure 8, essentially, which is crazy. So it's our super speedway layout that we threw a figure 8 in. Before, we had a cone section. And now, we do not have a... Oh my gosh, brother! That was good. That was good. So now it's just heads up racing. We're not even doing the cone section anymore. And yeah. Oh no, there goes my seat. Ah, son of a bee sting. That's not good. Ow! Brother! Wow, okay, I need to get that seat back somewhere. Yes, I don't even know what to say. This is a very fun course. There's a lot of things I gotta think about, because as you are coming out of here, there are people who are coming into the course. I think I'm taking that way too wide, though. All right, try to get the seat back. Okay, good, we're back, we're back, we're back. Let's see how long we can keep this seat up there. Okay, all right. Okay. All right. Keep the inside there, all right. Boy, his cart back there, I think, is pretty fast, because he is catching me. I have a feeling that whatever this noise that I hear is probably contributing to some slower top speed or something. Ah! Ah! Son of a... That's part of the figure 8. I wasn't lifting, brother. I was in the lead. I can't lift. Oh, no. man. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I think we got it. We got a chance. I think to get the lead back. We got a chance. Oh, I've messed that one up real bad. Oh no. All right, good race. Man, well, that's part of what happens with the roulette wheel. Well, we are back for qualifying race 2, starting in the back this time. So we're gonna see some stuff, I'm sure. we're gonna have to deal with some people exiting the traffic circle, the roundabout, roulette wheel, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna be fun, that's for sure. No matter what happens, and I just hope I don't ruin anyone's race. Get in there, 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 get in there. Bro, stop. Stop smashing me. All right, let's go. 7th to 4th, that's a good start. We take those. Get in there, Garrett. Get in there. Okay. Okay. Whoa, no. I heard it and I saw it out of the corner of my eye. I don't know what happened there. Oh no. Oh, it was a tight situation. We'll be right back.
2 seconds later.
Okay, let's go. Get in there, Jackson. Okay, good. Okay, all right. Well, I hope he's okay. I think he got a little shaken up because that seemed like it was a pretty hard hit. Oh my gosh, my tires are cold. Oh, that thing is hopping like crazy. Good job, Jackson. Okay, good. Oh my tires are so cold. I am sliding everywhere. Yeah, we gotta let up a little bit on these corners because my tires are having issues. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Ah, no. I tried to make that too wide, but I guess I did not have enough space there. My bad. I was trying to make it too wide. Oh. I'm glad that we figured it out, and I did not get turned from that situation. That's what I'll say. Because that could have ended way worse. Oh, goodness. Okay, bro. Okay. Now, son of a bee sting. All right. That's another spot that I've lost because of the first. But that's part of the traffic circle. That's part of it. Oh boy, that's really funny. Oh no! God bless America. Okay. I am not having luck with the roulette wheel today. Oh goodness. I am not having any luck with the roulette wheel. Go, Clay, go. Oh, that was so close. That we were threading the needle. We are threading the needle there. I am at this like point where I'm like hitting this guy every time that I am coming through the roulette wheel. Okay, I think we're getting past it. Okay. Okay, we got a little time. Maybe. I don't know how much time we got. We got a lot to make up. But if he keeps battling, we like when they're battling. Keep battling, brother. Okay. Nope. Stay there. Nope. Oh my God! What are we doing? Son of a bitch! What the hell? Oh boy! What is happening? Oh goodness! Alright, we're here for the feature race. I am qualified like 7th. I'll tell you what, the roulette wheel is not kind to me today. It's been pretty unlucky, is what I'll say. Let's hope that maybe my luck can turn around in the main race. Get in there, boys! Get in there, boys! Get in there, boys! Ow! 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 Okay. Everybody's having issues. Okay, so people are just sending it where they feel like. All right, good. Okay. All right, we've somehow survived. We have somehow survived. Okay. All right, let's try to get some spaces. Let's get some spaces back, huh? Let's get some space back. Okay. All right. Okay. Yep, Clay's on my butt. Okay, brother. Oh boy, you are braking real hard there. Okay. Get in there. Oh boy, Drew. Okay. Holy moly, that was so close. Oh my gosh. That was so close, Drew. I am not lifted. I'm sorry, Drew. I'm not lifting. I can't lift. I gotta get back in this race. Get in there, bud. Good job. Oh, goodness. What a race. And it's only going to get wilder as like the traffic starts to build up, you know? It's only going to get wilder. Oh, I can't seem to make up any ground on anybody though. I cannot make up ground on people. Yes, battle, boys, battle. Let's go. Okay. Oh, that was a quick battle. The battle's over with already. I was hoping they were gonna battle a little more. Ow! Okay. Yeah, I just cannot catch people. I feel like I'm driving pretty well, but like, I cannot catch people. Oh, you went real wide there, Jeff. Okay. Oh, we're getting a little traffic here. I may run into them next. I don't know how this is going to go. I have a feeling we are going to cross paths here shortly. I don't want to ruin someone's race. last lap. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Well, as long as no one messes up. Oh no, someone's okay. Oh, is one gonna get it? Oh my goodness. Oh no, I hope he won. I hope he didn't get hit with the traffic and lose. Oh no. Good race, good race.